Hi, my name is Edward Kolacz. I came from Canada to KA Ready LBR Dental and Implant Center for dental treatment. Before I came here, I sent the email, my X-ray, to Dr. Reddy, and he gave me precise price for the treatment. So I agree, and we made arrangement for to come to the place. So they provided for me with transportation from the airport to the hotel, and also for a treatment going from hotel to the clinic for a treatment. The price was exactly the same what we agreed upon, and today is the last day. You know, the treatment lasted 3 days. Job is done. 100% happy with the job done by doctor. He is highly qualified doctor, you know, and I tried the same treatment in Canada. I tried, but what the price what I was, you know, was told is totally unacceptable. Is outrageous, I would say. So I decided to go abroad to undergo this treatment. So here I am. Everything is done. Teeth are perfect shape. I'm happy. I recommend everybody, you know, who thinks about going to India. I recommend Dr. K.A. Reddy for the job.